Want to see a BMW M4 transform from this to this? Before that, this is the new G82 BMW M4 Competition with 510 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque from a twin-turbo 3-litre straight-six engine. By now, some of us have accepted BMW's vertical kidney grille, but the owner wanted something different. So here's a new front bumper with a different grille design from Adro. It's designed in California but manufactured in South Korea. The kit is made of TPO, material yang tahan lasak tapi ringan, while the front lip is made of carbon fiber. This bumper was imported and swapped at CM Motorsports Ara Damansara. The price, 17,000 ringgit. The back remains untouched because it already looks so good. Sebelum diorang mula cat, we got to see the bumper in its raw form and the fit and finish is actually pretty good, while the grille clips on really nicely. Lepas dah siap cat warna sama, the fender guard is removed together with the bumper, sensors and camera. Proses dia agak simple and straightforward, tapi banyak gila skru kena simpan elok-elok. Lepas dah transfer semua bracket and attachments, the sensor fitted really nicely. Lastly, diorang pasang carbon fiber lip while all the clips went back in without any trouble. This was truly a plug-and-play item, no trouble with fitment at all. Whether it's a clip or a screw, everything lined up quite nicely. And this is how it looks. What do you think? Does it look better than the original? More aggressive? Or do you prefer the original look? Let me know in the comments. Even the owner couldn't wait to see it. After everything was done, we even asked him a few questions.
Right, so this is the owner, and I've heard you've had a few BMWs before. So why do you keep coming back to the brand?
Because BMW is a driver's car.
Okay.
So driver like drive this BMW.
Okay. So the driving experience is what you really enjoy.
Yes.
So why the M4 then? When it first came out, a lot of people were talking about how it looks and all. Why the M4?
I love the color and the performance.
Okay.
This car more performance.
Perhaps the two-door design as well?
Yes.
Okay. Why this bumper conversion then?
This bumper because of our friend JY.
He poisoned you?
Poisoned me.
Oh my god. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.